First car for the day is this 2024 Chery Omoda, which is going for 355,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So I'm looking to pay 6,660 per month. It has 18,200 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 115 kilowatts of power and 230 newton meters of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. You are getting a fuel consumption of 6.9 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 51 liters. According to the director report, this car has no issues. Everything is still okay. What I love about this car is that redlining so that the car can pop. As you can see, also getting a tow hitch right there. Your alloy wheels wrapped with black. What I love about those cars is that there's no fake exhaust. You're also getting a huge light there at the back, as you can see right there. The car, it is still okay and it is beautiful, man. Chinese companies, they're cooking, man. They're giving us the whole package with less price. So when it comes to the interior, you have your luxurious interior with leather seats, ambient light, and your 10.25-inch high-resolution touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You're also getting your multifunction steering wheel there. Yeah, man, the interior, it is beautiful, as you can see right there. That's it about our first car for the day. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, guys. We're on the road to 200 subscribers. Yeah, but the car, it is still beautiful, man.